Christmas, the time of giving and spending time with our loved ones.
I love it.
You're not going to return it?
Well, not the second.
And what represents Christmas more than anything?
A Christmas tree.
However, due to the extreme rising cost of living this year, more than ever, even a Christmas tree has become an unnecessary financial burden for some families.
New report has found 2/3 of people are concerned about the cost of Christmas dinner this year.
So I thought, let's do something about this, and made it my mission to deliver as many Christmas trees and gifts to those people who may be struggling this year. So here's the plan. Find some Christmas trees, get a modern day sleigh that is worthy of a Mark McCann video, acquire elves, convince the wife to dress up for the kids,
Why did I end up with this?
and deliver all the trees in only one day. So we now have the full team, and now we're going to get some Christmas trees. Put various posts on Facebook, Instagram, asking for people who basically are in a situation where they can't afford their own trees. That one,
You want this one?
£85, you got no chance, mate. No, you're not having that one. So now, with Christmas trees, the smaller ones are the better ones. It's like the ice cream van. When the music's playing, it means that they've run out of ice cream. There's 500 acres of trees here, and Graham's got 1 million trees.
Okay, let it be known. I work hard when I ain't on the phone. This ain't a hoe, this ain't a foe. Cause I never stop and I'm keeping it cold. Unlocking the door with the holy key. You supposed to be this close to me, and hopefully you understand G.O.D. Maybe this cold and I'm talking like no degrees.
Thank goodness for the quad.
I'm out of breath. In my head, we were turning up and there was going to be some trees all sat there ready waiting in my head, and it was never going to work like that. Would have been better off with them, look. He's got teeth like Daddy and a beard like Mummy. Jane, they got Darb size. So they have got an amazing shop here, so come and spend some money because it's well worth it and it's the right price.
Christmas tree farm. Bills Road, Shirley.
Woods Farm Christmas tree. So after enough manual labour for the whole year, we have finally secured all the trees we could. Now it's time to find a vehicle worthy of delivering them in.
Digital rich, digital rich, digital digital rich, digital.
So this is the van which we got lent to by Alex, and here's a legend because this was wrapped and made by Yanni. And when we look inside, it was actually One Direction's real tour bus. So we've got a big flat screen telly, we've got PlayStation, we've got a laser light show, and an amazing stereo system.
I bet this has seen some action.
Oh, I wish I had a UV light. Oh, whose is this seat? Zane. Oh man.
I don't even want to sit down.
Oh, that must have been where Harry used to sit. He was the man, wasn't he? Come and have a look. Whose seat do you reckon that was?
Don't know, but whoever it was like Louis.
Do you think Louis even knew?
He does now.
I reckon this was Harry's seat.
No. I reckon it was Louis Walsh.
Tour bus.
Mate, how weird is that? Yeah, so there's like water jets on the outside of the car.
Yeah.
You can shoot and spray people walking down the road.
Christmas trees today.
Oh, what, in that?
Yeah, like this is our elves van. So all the elves are in this.
Oh, incredible. Well done, man. Well
Brilliant.
done.
So with the mystery machine finally ready to go, it's now time to assemble my helpers for the day. Just in case anyone's worried, it's not the real Father Christmas, it's actually me. At the start of the show.
Why did I end up with this? I could have been dressed as Mrs. Christmas or anything.
Stop moaning, get in the van. So, busy day today. We've got about 30 different drops of people who have requested Christmas trees. So it should be a lot of fun. We've got a load of trees, we've got a load of stuff from Bayliss and Harding, and we've been to somewhere which we can't advertise because they haven't given us anything. And we've gone and bought some chocolates. We're going to go do some good today, hopefully, and put some smiles on people's faces, because to be honest, I've never really done anything like this. I've obviously always been young, stupid and selfish, so it's nice to actually finally get out there and put a bit back in. First delivery of the day.
Oh, thank you so much.
Is it too big?
That's what she said.
Thank you so much. I am. I'm doing policing today.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
So if I get good for Stephen.
I'll let you off.
Brilliant.
That's rubbish. Cheers. Thank you.
Have a lovely Christmas.
Got it? No one dropped it.
That's an absolute pleasure. Have an amazing Christmas. There you go.
Wow, thank you very much.
Right, we've got another 20 drops to do, so lovely to meet you.
Thank you
Have
very
an
much.
amazing Christmas. Now this is a lady who unfortunately has got stage 4 cancer.
Oh, thank you.
After the first few hours, everyone we have met has been extremely grateful and excited to see us all. Well, not everyone. Merry Christmas!
You alright there?
We've got a tree for you.
Oh, right, okay.
Is that right?
Yeah, well, I'm not too sure myself. If you could leave it
Just
there,
leave that, yeah.
that'd be
No problem.
great.
Not a problem at all.
Is it all sorted or?
Yeah, no, it's free.
Yeah.
You, Mr. Cryer.
No way.
Yeah.
Did you?
Oh, so over the moon.
Oh no, that's good.
So emotional.
Was she?
Yeah.
You taking a piss?
Mate ain't got a clue what was going on.
I got to go into McDonald's looking like this for Mark. I look like a right kiddie fiddler. Chicken sandwich, extra mayo.
We've done a McDonald's. Well, Darb's done a McDonald's stop. He's been signing autographs. We're all starving, and I've got a headache, and we're going to be late. We've done number 6, so we're on number 7 of 27. We're about halfway through the day. Why are you moaning all the time? Wrong house.
Wrong house.
Wrong house. Thank you anyway. Merry Christmas. See you in a bit. Got the wrong house.
So which one are we supposed to go to? So this one. And where did we go?
Number 2.
That one.
Ah, you're in. Right, we've got a Christmas tree and some sweets and all sorts for you.
Why don't you leave that here? Why don't you bring it inside?
I wouldn't let him in the house if I were you.
It's a lovely thing that you're doing.
Oh no, thank you. After spending way too long eating McDonald's and delivering Christmas trees to the wrong addresses, it wasn't looking hopeful that we could get this finished in one day.
It's 4 o'clock. We've got about 15 trees left to deliver. We ain't going to get back to watching football, are we?
You don't even like football.
That's a whole new meaning, taking one for the team, isn't it?
I might have slightly not quite done the calculations on the amount of time and also the fact we're going like this.
Thank you, mate. Cheers.
See you later. Ta-da!
Pretty house. These are the little.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
No. Thank you so much. Right, that's the closest one we got to crying. That's a pleasure. Have a good Christmas.
Go on, run. Run, James.
Tell you what, 3
Jesus, this is a one-man show, this is. So now we've come into Redditch to Isaac's Food Bank. Now, if you've seen our channel before, we did an ad with Car Vertical, a funny ad. They gave us some money, which we then bought this van. Now, the reason they got the van is because there's a food bank here where it's a help yourself to all the local people. But Claire and Isaac were struggling to get to people who needed it outside of their local area. If you're in and around Redditch and you want to donate, it's Isaac's Food Bank, 51 Throckmorton Road, and bring stuff because people in need. Yeah, it's nice to share at this time of year. Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Oh my God, thank you so much. Thank you. Oh my God, thank you so much. That's unbelievable. What did you say, Belle?
Thank you.
She's just come out of hospital, so she hasn't been very well.
Oh,
yeah.
no.
Thank you so much. So thank you.
She's had to stop at work. But we'll come back tomorrow. Tomorrow we go again. How's Father Christmas get it all done in one night? And we haven't managed to drop 20 trees off in a day.
So what's with the trolleys?
What trolleys?
Going shopping?
Put on it so again. To be fair, the amount of selection boxes I bought, I probably paid for 5 of these. All this will be explained in a future episode. So obviously we've rolled over to this morning because we just didn't get enough done. We just had so many to do, no other reason. Today we've dropped the trailer, it's all in the back, fully loaded.
He's only got one little Alf helping today.
It's still a busy day, we've still got about, I think, 8 or 9 drops. Hopefully people will be in, because obviously we did arrange to go there last night, but that all fell to pieces with the light.
It's amazing, I've never had a real Christmas tree.
Have you not?
I've never actually had a Christmas tree.
Yeah. Right, some chocolates for the kiddies.
Thank you.
Some bath stuff. Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Oh, that was a nice one. Nominated by a mummy. Right, next, just down the road, Mike Hunt.
That's gotta be a joke, innit?
69 Grove Road. Oh, we've been had over. B69 ANL. I bet that's Jane.
Thank you so much, have a brilliant day.
Home bargains. We're going to do a little bit of a trip here because we're out of selection boxes pretty much, and I know we've got some kids we're going to now. And also Darb wants to decorate a tree, and it's for a very special person which we'll talk about in a bit. It's a big one, that one. It's probably going to be our last one of the day. And not as nice as ours, are they? Sorry we're a day late.
Oh, thank you.
Let's go. Bayless and Harding. Beautiful. Oh, brilliant. Well,
Cheers. Yeah, I'll just leave it out here.
yeah. That's a pleasure.
Merry Christmas.
Jeez. Do you know, that was a tough one, real tough one. When we set out to do this, you sort of never know whether the right people who would sort of deserve it to get the trees, whether it's going to go to the people who really need. And my God, those people, bless them, they literally had like nothing. Nothing.
Thank
Merry
you so
Christmas.
much. Merry Christmas.
That was a nice one, Darb.
Yeah.
So that was a lovely lady. She didn't comment on my parking, to be honest, but she hasn't got a Christmas sorted, hasn't done anything, and that's why she wanted a tree, because she spends all her time helping other people. No tears though. Come on, someone. Only got 2 left.
Ooh, that's all right.
No.
There's someone coming. Come on, I got it.
Yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah. Right, so we've got one last drop, and this is a very special one, especially to me and Jane. Our friend called Rocky, you'd have seen him on the stag do, the wedding, and he was the winner of the chicken nugget challenge. And Rocky has not had an easy life, to say the least. He's never ever had his own Christmas tree. The only time he's had Christmas trees was when he was in the kids' homes. And one thing which really sort of cuts home, there was a story a couple of years ago that Rocky went and bought a Ferrari mug, just a mug from the shop in town, and then he asked Sean's wife Nicola to wrap it for him. So Nicola said to him, like, who's the cup for? And he said, it's for me, I want something to open on Christmas Day. So that will just give you an idea of what a lucky situation most of us are in. Merry Christmas!
Oh, good, thank you.
Tell him what we're doing now.
Come in, Rock.
Make yourself at home.
Oh, thanks.
Rocky's most prized possession. Yeah. The winner of the chicken nugget challenge. Ian since. Some presents.
Thank you.
This is from Bayless and Harding, our friends.
Thank you very much.
Chockies.
You can do it, Sean. Careful, because you know you rot your teeth.
Great job, Darb.
I know.
You can tell you've done this before, can't you?
You've got to double it up, haven't you?
So yeah, what's your best memory of Christmas?
Best Christmas time was 2007. But I was drinking at the time, so it was...
So what you're saying is, since you stopped drinking, life's been rubbish.
No, since he's known you.
About that, Rock, I've left you a present upstairs. Have an amazing Christmas.
And you, Mark, and you, thank you very much.
No, thank you. A lot of time for Rocky. A lot of time for Rocky. We've just found out, just had a phone call from Jane. Somebody's messaged her to say that they hadn't had their tree. Now, we did drop the tree, and we'll show the footage now. Now, unfortunately, by the time the person got home, the tree had been stolen. So shame on you, whoever nicked the tree. kidding me? Now.
Candles on.
Now, so this is the one which got stolen yesterday, which is flipping bad. Really, really bad. A Christmas tree was stolen.
It's still there. It's up there, look.
Okay, so it turns out we delivered it to the wrong house. Goodwill amongst men is back. Is back. Right, okay,
We
sorry
threw
everyone.
somebody under the bus, didn't we? for
Yeah,
that?
no, it wasn't stolen. Right, let's go get it back.
Back in the van, re-deliver.
You could just imagine, yesterday they opened the door and thought, where the hell has that come from? And then this morning they've opened the door and gone, where the hell has that gone? I can't believe I didn't see it, you can literally see it.
She would have seen it from me.
It's Father Christmas! You won't believe where it was. It was, you see that one there? Put it at the wrong stop of
It's
stairs.
absolutely fine.
You understand
There you go. He understands what chocolates are, look.
After 2 days of seeing how many trees and gifts we could deliver, here are the final stats. So we managed to deliver 58 Christmas trees, 106 boxes of chocolates, and 98 Bayliss and Harding gift sets. Unfortunately, there were 6 people that didn't answer the door, but in total we drove 116 miles. This was a tough but truly amazing experience. Stay tuned for the next challenge, and don't forget to subscribe. Have an amazing Christmas from me, Jane and Senna, and all of our amazing crew, and we will see you all in 2023.